Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to share with you our activities on peatland research and management system in the tropics. As an introduction, despite being a vulnerable ecosystem, peatlands has been used for various agricultural crops, especially in areas where peatland areas dominate. The government of Indonesia has been issuing the ban of no license for agro-industry on peatland. It's crucial to intensify management system on existing agricultural land on peatland to increase yield and minimize environmental degradation. Our activities in this year, we have initiated field activities of a project that's supposed to have been initiated in 2020, but due to COVID, we could only be able to start it in the latter part of 2021. It's a collaborative project between ICRA, or World Agroforestry Center, and Indonesian Soil Research Institute. The project is on improving the management of peatlands and the capacities of stakeholders in Indonesia, which is known as Peat Impacts Indonesia. This project's activity, among others, is evaluating its subsidence from forest, shrubland, plantation, and shrubland. Shrubland is very fire prone, so it's important to see the subsidence from peat fire as well as peat decomposition. Measuring the effects of water table fluctuation on CO2 flux from oil palm plantation, because raising water table has been under the government regulation, but there are some worries whether raising water table would affect the yield. So what we are looking at is the effect of raising water table on how fast, how slow the lifespan of peatland as indicated by the rate of subsidence, and also how effective it is in reducing CO2 emissions from peat decomposition, also peat fire. Then the result of this research finding will be used for improving the national and subnational greenhouse gas inventory from peatland. And in 2022, we plan to develop research project on two similar topics, but the first one is only for oil palm plantation, because the funding agency is Palm Oil Plantation Fund Distribution Agency. This agency's focus is on promoting the sustainability and productivity of oil palm. So what we would like to propose under this project is oil palm land use and management system on peatland for improving environmental and economic indicators. The proposal is due on the 18th of February next year. This is a little bit close project, although the opportunity for international collaboration is still open. But the more open one for international collaboration is the research to be funded by Research Fund Disbursement Institute. This is under the Ministry of Finance of Indonesia. What we plan to develop is the project on improving crop nutrient management on peatland, because the yield gap for oil palm is very wide. It's only about 50% of the potential yield. So if we can improve the management system, especially for nutrient, as a way to adapt the plantation to also the climate change. We hope to be able to increase crop yield and also reduce greenhouse gas emission. So this is a brief report from me in the tropics. Thank you very much.